Good morning students, I am JS. Next we see one problem. Example 6.41. Find the vector and Cartesian equations of the plane passing through the point with the position vector 4i vector plus 2j vector minus 3k vector and normal to the vector 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector. There are two values are given in this problem. First one, point 4i vector plus 2j vector minus 3k vector. Normal vector 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector. So we use second formula. I already told you second formula. Normal vector point is given. We use the formula. If this is vector form, this is Cartesian form. So let me see. First one, just you take a vector is a point, 4i vector plus 2j vector minus 3k vector. Normal vector n vector, 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector. Vector form. What is the formula? R vector dot n vector minus a vector dot n vector equal to 0. Just you substitute n and a vector. N vector 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector minus 4i vector, a vector 4i vector plus 2j vector minus 3k vector dot n vector 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector equal to 0. So this is dot product. You know very well, in 11th standard we already know that multiplication of two vectors. Just you multiplied I vector to I vector, j vector to j vector, k vector to k vector. 4 2s are 8, plus into minus minus, 2 1s are 2, minus into plus minus, 3 1s are 3 equal to 0. So r vector dot 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector 8 minus 5. Okay children, 8 minus 5, totally 3. So minus 3 equal to 0. 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector. Minus 3 goes RHS side, so plus 3. This is vector form. This is vector form. Cartesian form. In Cartesian form, very simple. Let r vector equal to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. Just to substitute here. R vector value is xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. Just to substitute here. After that you do the dot product, we get the Cartesian form. Listen carefully children. R vector value xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector dot 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector equal to 3. In this vector form, just I substitute r vector value only. After that, you do the dot product. 2x minus y plus z equal to 3. So minus 3 equal to 0. This is Cartesian form. That's all. It's very simple 3 mark question. Okay children? Thank you.